first one though I played. I didn't. I hadn't played that for a very long time, honey. Gotta call it a night, eh?
Oh my.
Where'd the other one go here? Oh, thanks. Wouldn't mind getting my hands on another one of these.
For home, yeah.
Oh gosh, yeah. That other one weighs twice.
That's that big old red thing that I'm remembering? The blue one.
Blue one. The Honer. Yeah. And it's heavier than that one. Twice as heavy. La 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 la. This heart of
You're doing
mine.
that
Turn it over, dear. We'll break into the
Ah, I see.
Let me just put this on top of the case. It'll be all right there on the stand, or should we put it on the floor? Should put it on the floor. Make sure it's closed. Well, that closes up easily. Usually I have to bang my other one to get closed.
I don't want to move it. The heat, though.
What's underneath there, honey?
Your purse. The books.
Oh, you just stand it up on its stand like this here, right? There. Yeah, thank you there.
I smoke.
For the bed? Love you, babe.
Oh.
See you in a minute.
Yes.
Okay. Good night, dear. I need a drink of water. Take a drink of water with me. Here. Well, a couple, dude.